Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hare Krishna Yog Mandir Meena. Today I am going to discuss one more mudra, that is Aditya Mudra. First of all, I am discussing how to perform. Sit comfortably on your yoga mat. Take a few deep and slow breaths to relax your body. Sit in Vajrasan, Padmasan, Dandasan, Sukhasan or Siddhasan. If you cannot perform all these asanas, you can sit on chair, sofa or your bed with comfortable position. Place the tip of the thumb at the base of the ring finger. Keep the remaining fingers straight and together. It can be done with both the hands. You can place your hands on the knees as shown in the picture. While doing this mudra, concentrate on breathing. Inhale and exhale slowly. This mudra is recommended to practice for 15 to 45 minutes per day. Even can split up and do this mudra 3 times in a day for 15 minutes each time. This mudra can be practiced at any time and anywhere. If you are troubled by frequent sneezing and boredom, do Aditya Mudra to get rid of it. Many people sneeze a lot as soon as they wake up in the morning. This problem arises due to lack of earth element in the body. It may be due to allergies, infections, weather changes, or even pollution. Those who feel some hindrance while doing spiritual practice will also get benefit from it. Effect: ring finger represents earth, Prithvi, and the thumb represents fire, Agni. When the Agni touches at the base to the ring finger, there is growth of Prithvi element and also growth of Agni. Therefore, there will be weight gain with improvement stamina. Benefits of this mudra. Number 1. One can gain weight by a regular practice of 50 minutes followed by Pran Mudra. There will be remarkable weight gain. Number 2. Problem of sneezing continuously in the morning can be cured with the practice of this mudra. Problem of sneezing due to infection, weather changes, allergy can be removed by this mudra. Number 3. Yawning and sneezing during meditation can be prevented by practicing this mudra. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new updates. If you like and share too. Don't forget to write your experience in comments box. Thanks for watching my channel. Stay healthy, stay blessed, keep smiling.